Hello traders, and welcome to the NinjaTrader 8 Hacks video series. In this video, we're going to go ahead and give you a quick start guide on how to install NinjaTrader, get it set up, and running as quickly as possible. Now, a couple key notes before we get started. The NinjaTrader 8 platform is always going to be free. You can always use its charting capabilities. Now, in regards to data, Forex data is always free. Futures data will have a price to it, but you will get a 14-day trial as well. For stock data, there's no trial period, so you need to go ahead and set up an account and get that connected. As a reminder, trading does carry significant risk, and all information in this video is provided for educational purposes only and is not an offer or recommendation to trade futures, stocks, options, or Forex. So the first thing you want to do is select your asset class between futures and Forex. Just go ahead and click on whichever one that you like. You're going to go ahead and put your name in here. Put your phone number in here as well. And go ahead and put your specific email in here as well. And then go ahead and click on the country that you are from. You have to go through this area here as well. And go ahead and get started. While that's processing, then you have this page that comes up here. Select NinjaTrader 8. And at that point, you're going to go ahead and get these prompts right below here. So go ahead and hit download here at this point. You're going to see, do you want to run or save NinjaTrader install from NinjaTrader.com? Go ahead and click on run. I won't go ahead and do that, but make sure you click on run there. It'll go ahead and download and install to your machine. And then as far as that goes, you're all set. Now, if you need a connection guide to connect to live data, then you can go ahead and download this as well. But you will receive an email including your username and password to connect to NinjaTrader Continuum. Once received, click the button below for setup instructions. Now, I'll go ahead and walk you through that step by step next. So once you've downloaded and installed NinjaTrader, go ahead and open it up and then go to Connections here and go to Configure. Once you're in Configure here, you want to go to, if it's Forex.com, if you signed up for a Forex feed, go ahead and populate it down here. And you'll see, I'll say Forex.com, but this one has a 1 since I already have one here as well. Go ahead and populate it there. Go ahead and you can call your connection whatever you'd like. I would leave this blank here, connect on startup. Go ahead and manually connect every time. Put your username and your password here, and then go ahead and hit OK, and you're all set there. Now, if you have a futures data, you can go to NinjaTrader Continuum. I already have one here, and go ahead and put the connection name, whatever you'd like. Again, leave this one blank. Go ahead and connect to it manually here. Put your username, password. If it's a demo, go ahead and make sure that's a demo. And you can include in Forex, but I'll go ahead and leave that one off here as well. And then once you're done, hit OK. I'll go ahead and cancel that for now. And you'll see that the connections are here. So you have Forex.com and NinjaTrader Continuum. And just go ahead and click on whichever one. So if I want to connect to Forex.com, I'll just go ahead and click on that. You'll see this yellow light here. And then it'll go ahead and switch to green once it's connected. And you're all set and ready to go. Now, if you see a little red light here, it just means that you're not connected. Go ahead and go back into Connections, go to Configure here at this point, and make sure you go through here and make sure you have the correct login data for both if it's Forex or NinjaTrader. Now, if you trade stocks here as well and you signed up for a trial for futures data, again, go through Continuum again and make sure that's connected. But if you have interactive brokers or IQ feed, for instance, you'll notice all the login information here. They'll send you an email with how to connect your username and password here, and how to connect specifically to interactive brokers. You want to reach out to your broker and ask them about that and tell them that you're with NinjaTrader. Same thing for IQ feeds, a little bit easier. You can see your username and password. Same thing as before, pretty much all set up and ready to go. TD Ameritrade is down here as well for stock trading. Again, just a username and password. Again, if you trade stocks or futures or Forex, once you're done, you're all set up and you're ready to go.